With over 50 million Spanish-speaking individuals in the US, language barriers can pose a huge obstacle between enterprise and consumers. Hello everyone, welcome to Botsplash TV. I'm Willem Mosic, and today we'll take a deep dive into the language barriers that pose a threat towards nurturing and closing transactions. As reported by the M Report, Hispanic households will account for 70% of home ownership growth in the US over the next 20 years. That is why Botsplash and its customer engagement platform now offers its users, both on the enterprise and consumer side, the ability to fully engage in a two-way conversation in Spanish by translating English sentences into Spanish in real time. While mortgage documents and materials are still in English, the language and conversation between lender and borrower no longer has to be confined to English, and offering Spanish translation simply breaks down those language barriers that prevented those conversations from happening in the first place. The feature, therefore, also provides new opportunities for lenders that may not necessarily have had a large presence in the Hispanic home buying community by now offering the ability to fully converse in Spanish. If you'd like to know how to use Botsplash's Spanish translation feature when engaging with your customers on web chat, feel free to reach out and learn more. I'm Willem Mosic. Thank you very much for watching Botsplash TV.